What's going on, YouTube? Tom here, finally off work. Man, you gotta love work. Working hard to pay bills. Well, I guess everybody kind of understands that. When you want to be a car guy and you want a nice car, you have to pay for it. But wanted to make a little Mustang update. I guess every week or so, I always want to make kind of a video updating it. I guess, everyone likes to do garage updates, so I guess I can give you all a nice little update on the Tacoma. I got an appointment to get the oil change next week. Figured I'd throw that in. It's not like people ask about it. Of course, it is my daily driver, and I plan to keep it that way. But so now a little update on the Mustang. Because while we're on the subject of money and bills, so I've got all the things financially ready for it, trying to put everything into the correct account and get all of my stuff set up for it for when it gets here. Of course, that way it's just everything is in place and I can just go ahead and pay for it and be on my way. So currently it's still looking like March the 11th. Now again, that's a rough estimate, as we are approaching it a lot closer. Now, one thing with that is, again, it might change just based on how long it takes to ship here. But now, I've been waiting for it to be done with production. It, of course, has taken roughly 3 weeks to be finished getting built. Now, I wasn't honestly sure how long that would take for the production, but it's taken close to a month already. Unfortunately, that little date at the bottom of the window sticker that I thought meant that was when it was done has continued to change, and so I was wrong about that. They say a few days, I'm thinking it's about a month. It's more than just a few days, but now I'm not sure exactly what in production means. They don't tell you where exactly it is in the production phase. They just tell you it's in production, so that might be like, okay, the engine might be completely in the other side of the plant. It might not. The engine might even be at the engine plant when that starts. I have honestly no clue how that works, but it is in production. Now, judging by the estimates for shipping and also awaiting shipping, it sounds like that'll be 2 weeks. So I'm hoping still by the end of this week that, fingers crossed, that it gets done with production. Now, once again, we just don't know. They don't like to tell you where in production it is. But then after that, of course, it's awaiting shipment, meaning it's on the ground at the plant somewhere, waiting to actually be put on a truck and shipped here. So that's another one, is you gotta wait for that. Then once that's done, of course, shipping in transit, it gets here, and then the dealer does their final checks, and last but not least, I go pick it up. So hopefully that all will happen soon, because yes, I'm so sick of actually talking about the Mustang. I would love to have it. There's other channels out there where they've ordered cars and had to wait. I think it's Street Speed's got a Corvette that he's waiting for. Parker from Vehicle Virgins kept talking about this E63 Mercedes for the longest time, so believe me, I'm already planning vlogs I want to make with the Mustang when it finally gets here. It's just I've got so many ideas that I just can't do yet, just because it's not ready. It's just like, hurry up, Ford. We're waiting. And of course, the big plan is I will start making these vlogs, because I want this channel to continue to grow. I do want to make these vlogs, not sit here and talk about vlogs anymore. But of course, you can only wait so patiently before the car finally gets here. Go a little off-roading here. Just gotta love this neighborhood where stop signs are meaningless. Of course, that's a big fear for that, is stop signs. I do need to order a couple things for the Mustang. I'm gonna order another little piece for the dash cam. I got a free dash cam that I wanted a giveaway from Matt Moran Motoring. So for anybody who's ever watched any of his vlogs when he has a dash cam, he's like, I'm gonna give this dash cam away. Pay attention to that and do enter, because one, he's legitimate. Two, it's a pretty amazing dash cam that I've gotten for free. So I need to order a little piece of that so I can hardwire it into the Mustang when it gets here. I'm going to do the same setup that I've got going in my Tacoma, where I've got it hardwired to the fuse box, which is great because you just never have to worry about it again. So I'm going to order that. Another thing is I'm going to be calling up shops within the next week to do ceramic coatings, because I do want to get my Mustang ceramic coated. So I got to talk to them, figure out how much that's going to cost. Now, I don't know exactly what it's going to cost, but I know that's, a few $100 or so. I think that's going to be worth it just because it protects a Mustang. People love to find excuses to ding nice cars, and it's always the most infuriating thing about having a nice car is that people look at them funny. They're immediately jealous that you assume you make more money than them, and they're immediately jealous, and they love to find a reason to ding it, key it, whatever. And also rock chips are very annoying. I've got a bunch of them on my Tacoma, and it's like, I cringe every time I see them. So that's all in the list of things. And as for mods, I haven't made any decisions on mods yet, but I've got some slight cosmetic mods I want to do. So we'll see how any of that goes. Just got to get money together. And of course, I still want to get wheels for the Tacoma. I saw a Tacoma today that the exact set of wheels I want to get, and it's just like, man, that looks so good. So that's another thing. I'm going to be talking to them next week about transferring the wheels over, or not the wheels, the tires over to the new set of wheels. So, but then of course a small little channel update. I actually now have been filming for the last couple videos in 24 frames per second. Before I was doing 60, and I wanted to ask you all what your opinion is on 24. Do you all like it better, or do you think I should go back to 60? One is it takes up less space file-wise to do 24 over 60, and two, I think 24 has a lot more of a professional look to it. 60 just feels a little cheap to me. I kind of like 24. The look of 24 always looks a little more cinematic. So let me know what y'all think about that in addition to that, because I like the look of it, and I think if I'm going to help this channel grow, I want to add some kind of cinematic little touches to my videos, and of course the production quality is going to be coming up higher soon. I got some more plans for not just vlogs. I've got some other ideas for actual videos to make. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this garage update, I guess. That's what I'll end up calling it, just because I need a title. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And if you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Take care. Have a good day.